Have you ever wondered how the deployment of 5G millimeter wave technology affects electromagnetic field exposure? Some 5G networks utilize millimeter wave frequencies, typically between 24 and 43 GHz, to enhance mobile broadband and enable high-speed, low-latency communication. These higher frequencies are crucial for supporting a growing number of smart devices within our increasingly connected cities, as well as for autonomous vehicles and industrial automation. All of these uses rely on 5G's low latency and high capacity to function efficiently. With increasing 5G adoption, some have questioned the exposure to these higher frequency signals. To address this, a recent study funded by the Mobile and Wireless Forum measured typical ambient millimeter wave exposure levels near operational 5G radio base stations, both in urban and suburban environments across the United States that were using higher frequency millimeter waves. The study collected real-world data across multiple locations. Measurements were taken at various distances, times of day, and weather conditions to ensure comprehensive results. The findings? Exposure levels ranged from 0.0003% to 0.0082% of the maximum permissible exposure set by the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC. Even the highest recorded exposure was more than 25,000 times lower than the continuous public exposure limits. Similar results have been reported globally. A European study found that even under high network traffic, millimeter wave exposure remained at just 0.0012% of public limits recommended by bodies such as the International Commission on Non-Ionizing Radiation Protection. As IoT adoption grows and integrates further into daily life, ensuring network reliability remains a priority, as does ensuring that any questions regarding these networks are being addressed. In conclusion, this, like other similar studies, consistently shows that 5G millimeter wave exposure levels are well below established and recommended limits. Ongoing measurements will continue to monitor compliance as 5G networks expand.